recess drains in, slabs going in, using the easy joint tile spacers and the little pinch squeeze, level across, little run down towards the house. Yeah, gave it a nice little whack this morning. Recess drains and started on the nightmare though. Literally cutting in that recess drain over there this morning. It just exploded. This is the second job we've had slabs just like popping really easily, like snapping really easily. Any recommendations? We're just using a 115, like a small grinder, decent blades, ruby blades. Someone recommended Polvex, but yeah, what do you guys do when you're cutting around manhole covers? Do you just use normal little grinder, good blade? Do you use a table saw? What do you use? Let us know in the comment section below.